In this video, I will guide you on how to turn off Facebook daily time limit. The first method is open up your settings. Now scroll down and here find the option of digital well-being and parental controls. Select that. Now you will find the option of app timers. Select that. If you have set timer for Facebook, then you want to head over there and then toggle this option off. Then tap on save. Now the next method is open the Facebook app. Tap on the three lines at the top left corner of your screen. Select settings and privacy. Select settings. Once you get here, scroll down and find the option of your time on Facebook. Select that. From here, select manage your time option. Tap on see tools. Now select daily limit. Here you simply want to tap on the off option. Once you have selected that, tap on the save option. In this way, you can turn off Facebook daily limit from your settings and from the Facebook app itself. That's all for this video. If you found it useful, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more videos like this.